Hi guys, my name is Courtney. I'm in the safety department. I'm going to show you some tricks and trades of the ELD. Hours of service. The lady talks to you. So you should always know where you're sitting. This is going to be your status tab. Over here is going to tell you what you're going to gain at midnight and what you're going to gain at 2 days from now. These are going to be where your recap hours are. That's probably the quickest way to see what you're going to gain. Changing a status, pretty simple. Make sure you notate onto what you're doing. There is generic ones too, but if you can also freeform a message as well. But always notate on your logs. The more notations, the better. Summary, this is where it's going to show where you're sitting on your 8, your 11, your 14, and your 70. So when you go into a shop, or when you come into the yard here, log completely out of your ELD. That way when you log in, unassigned driving events are going to pop up. These are from like the shop use, so you're going to want to reject them. So you're going to hit next, and I have one of 2, so you're going to hit reject, and your reason is just going to be shop. And you're going to hit save, and then you're going to hit reject again, and you're going to put shop, and then save. Then it's going to ask you, do you want to certify? Once you rejected those, you can just hit agree and hit agree, and then boom, they go away. So when you certify, it will show you what you need to certify. Load, this is where all your loads are going to be and pop up. Should be, once you get confirmed and they submit it, it will pop up there. It's just going to show the load ID, your start, your end, and the trailer. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. Have a good day.
Hello, Great Plains friends and family. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button down there. If you want to see more of our videos, you can click here for one we've specially selected for you, or you can click here for our most recent upload. If you want to see our videos in the future, you can click the subscribe button right here and you'll be notified when we release a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.